In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a case on eBay effectively. When dealing with online purchases, issues can sometimes arise. Whether it's an undelivered package, a product that doesn't match its description, or a damaged item, eBay provides a structured process to resolve these dilemmas. So let's walk through this process step by step to make things as smooth and stress-free as possible. First, you'll want to start by logging into your eBay account. Head over to ebay.com and click on the sign in option. It's usually located at the upper right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials to access your account. This is your gateway to managing all of your purchases and ensuring everything is in order. Once logged in, the next step is to navigate to your purchase history. You'll do this by clicking on the My eBay link, which you'll find at the top right of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Purchase History. This will bring up a list of all your recent orders and help you keep track of everything you've bought. Now take a moment to locate the specific item for which you have an issue. Once you've found it, look to the right side of the order listing and click on More Actions. This button will provide several options related to the order in question, helping you decide the best course of action. Proceed by selecting the option to Resolve a Problem. This choice will be available in the drop-down menu that appeared when you clicked More Actions. It's at this point that you're starting the official process to report your issue to eBay, so make sure to choose the most accurate problem description. You'll need to choose the specific issue that best describes your situation. Whether the item wasn't received, it doesn't match its description, or it arrived damaged, remember to provide all relevant details requested. The more thorough you are, the quicker eBay can assist in resolving your issue. Whenever possible, eBay suggests reaching out to the seller first. Not only does this often lead to quicker resolutions, but it's also good practice to explain your concern directly to them. Send a courteous message outlining the problem, as many sellers are eager to help and can offer a resolution right away. If, after contacting the seller, the issue remains unresolved, or if they don't respond, that's when you should proceed to open a formal case through eBay. At this stage, you're encouraged to upload any supporting evidence, such as photos or message history, which will be invaluable in communicating the problem. Finally, after opening your case, make sure to monitor it closely. eBay will take some time to review everything and may reach out to you if they need additional information. Stay vigilant by checking your email and eBay messages regularly for any updates or requests. By following these steps, you're equipped to handle most issues that might come up with your eBay purchases. Patience and thoroughness are key, and remember, eBay's support system is there to assist you every step of the way.